Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change the clock in your Fiat 500. This process is straightforward, typically using your dashboard buttons. You'll first need to turn your ignition on, then access the main menu. From there, we'll navigate to the time settings, adjust the hours and minutes, and finally confirm your changes. Let's get started. To begin, make sure your Fiat 500 ignition is in the MAR position, but the engine doesn't need to be running. Locate the menu button on your dashboard, usually near the instrument cluster. Press it once to enter the main menu. Now, use the up or down arrow buttons to scroll through the options until you see Set Time or Time and Date. Press Menu again to select this option. Once Set Time is selected, the hour digits will begin to flash. Use the up or down arrow buttons to adjust the hour to the correct time. After setting the hour, press the menu button again. This will make the minute digits flash. Repeat the process, using the up or down arrows to set the minutes. Some models also allow you to choose between a 12-hour or 24-hour format here. After setting the minutes, press the menu button one more time to confirm. If your model allows, you might then be prompted to set the date, following a similar adjustment process for year, month, and day. Once all adjustments are complete, press and hold the menu button for a few seconds to exit the settings menu. Your Fiat 500 clock should now display the correct time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.